So hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Patricia Esikote. So today's video is something really simple. As you can see on the title, it's how to wash this beautiful babe over here. So stay tuned and make sure you subscribe, like, comment and share this video. Thank you. So first things first, this is a wig that I made for myself some time back, as you can see. So it's a 12-inch wig, but right now it looks like 10 because it's been shading off. Anyway, so first things first, as you can see, it has everything inside. What you do is not soak it, but put it on water. I like using cold water because hot water sometimes usually kills, I don't know if they have cells. No, it kills the hair. So I'd rather wash this hair with cold water or warm water. Literally right now this is kind of warm water. Now that is step one. You can see, I think each and every place of this strand on this hair has water in it. So I'm just going to use, and let me tell you one thing, there's no, for now I've not explored a lot of products in this industry. So what I'm going to do, this is the shampoo. I like using this, but I don't have it right now. So this is the shampoo, olive oil shampoo. What I'm going to do right now is just, as it stays there, so just dip in your shampoo. And then add some here. The shampoo will wait. So this is the second round of shampooing this beauty over here. And with this, when I put shampoo the second round, I usually use my it has to be thick, but I can't see my comb right now, so it'll, especially on the closure, come inside too, because this is where all your dirty products go to. They store themselves inside here, so we just not very hard though, just a little, to remove the excess product that are on. There's nothing good as using the same products, products of the same company. Well, like this is my conditioner. Oops, sorry, I've not shown you. This is olive oil conditioner. It smells so good, extremely good. And I don't like bombarding my wig with a lot of products too. Because sometimes there's a lot of wigs in Kenya are processed. Not okay. What? Okay. A processed hair. You see how easy it is to comb it. Let the conditioner stay on your wig for like 4 to 5 minutes. So 2 minutes later, and the hair is so soft, I can run my hands there. Also my kichana, you can see. Like right now, I thought my treatment was there, but unfortunately it's not there. So I cannot air dry this wig this particular time for now. But if I had my treatment, I would have air dried. So from here, I'm just going to let it drain. Expect this. So just put it there on your towel. And this is the hair that has shaded off with this particular wash. Just this. So let it stay on the towel for a little bit, just like 1 minute or so. I need my own stand, don't worry. So what you do, take a clean towel, just pass it through. Okay. Drain the excess water like this. And then I'll just put this here. Go in with your moisturizer, the olive moisturizer. So put a good amount. Yes. Oops. Don't. Take your burger salad. You have to turn your wig up because this wig is kinda still numb in the inside. Sorry. So just dry it. As you can see, the hair is now dry enough. You can see that moisturizer actually really helps. But before any other thing, I'm going to use my darling, what is it called again, olive oil. This is like heat protector. It protects the heat that I'm going to infuse on this heat when I'm going to flat iron it. So just a little bit. Well, this is too much, but either way, just put this. So the third process is flat ironing. So right now I've partitioned my hair and I've taken the part that I want to flat iron first. So what you do is just divide your hair, then comb it very well. Then pick up your flat iron. I'm going for the straight look, so don't worry on the sounds. Those are the products being chemushwada. Second last step is take your, even if you have a flat iron, just take it and then do this here, so that this hair over here can actually sleep. Just do this. the 360 of this wonderful unit. You can see, if I decide, I can sell this hair for very good money. Very good money. So this is just how we've made this wonderful look today. This unit is so pretty. You can see it, extremely pretty. And I've stayed with this wig. Now it's 9 months, and you can see it still looks new. So thank you so much for watching this wonderful video. I'll be bringing more of this kind of videos, and I hope you enjoy. Make sure you watch, subscribe, like, share, comment. This is the only way you encourage me to do more videos of this kind. So thank you. Have a blessed week. God loves you, and I love you. Bye.